Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to upgrade the outlets in your home, check out these ones from Legrand. I've been really happy with these Legrand Duplex outlets for several reasons. First of all, these are a great option when it comes to the look of the final product because these are a decorator style, so they have that very sleek and minimal design, and they just look really nice and modern. I also appreciate that these are made with very high quality materials, so they are going to be resistant to everyday use, plugging things in and out, and just the normal wear and tear that comes with using the outlets in your home. My husband has electrical experience and he found that these were very easy to install. It only takes a couple of minutes, and he felt like these were definitely sturdy and well built, made to last. So if your switches are in need of an upgrade, this is really an excellent choice that I would highly recommend. So we've been really happy with the ease of installation and the look of these outlets, and that's my point of view.